Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JKS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day in this one, and as we head into the weekend here, really just want to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and focus on two levels that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, which is important because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So that's why I want to just focus on these two areas, and then we'll see how the price, behaves relative to those going into next week. The first level a lot of people are going to be watching, and rightfully so, it's a more than valid area to be watching, is right down here, and I'll definitely be watching it at 61.85. And while nothing is guaranteed, my point here is it's a rational thought process to have that. You know what? If the price comes down here and then breaks down through there, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but that is a more than legitimate possibility if the price were to, revisit that area and break down through it. So that is certainly be a level of support that longs and shorts and everybody in between is going to be watching very closely. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, key overarching level going to be that trend line right there. So again, same logic. No such thing as a guarantee, but rational to think that if the price were to revisit back up to here and get the break of it, the break of that line in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside and buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than valid possibility, a more than rational possibility to think about, if that were to occur. So those are definitely going to be the two main technical levels to watch going forward. Sometimes trading just becomes, it boils down to just keeping it simple, focusing on the levels that a lot of other people are going to be focusing on, and that way you can kind of start to ballpark what those self-fulfilling prophecies may very well be. So those are going to be the two main technical levels that, like I said, myself and I'm sure plenty of others around the world will be watching, and let's see how the price reacts relative to them. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.